Hi, it's Dr. Arif Rajpura here, Director of Public Health at Blackpool Council, here to give you another update on the coronavirus pandemic and how it's affecting our local area here in Blackpool. So this week, I wanted to share with you that we are starting to see an increase in cases. The cases are rising across the country, and we're also starting to see a rise. I have seen the numbers go up in the last week, 10 days, and although our figures are still lower than some of the other areas in the northwest of England, I'm concerned that we are starting to see a rise. So it's important that we all continue to follow the guidance around social distancing, hand washing, using the alcohol gel when we're out and about, catch it, bin it, kill it, wearing face coverings where they're mandated in shops or on public transport. We've got to do all of these things and adhere to these things really stringently. So we must act together to follow the guidance and help any further increase in cases in Blackpool. But I am concerned at this moment in time that we are starting to see a rise. Along with that, I know there's been an issue with testing. It's a national issue. A lot of our population have really struggled to get a test. Both adults and children have had difficulty getting a test. If you've got symptoms of coronavirus, please do request a test, either online or by ringing 119. It's important to keep trying the online portal if you can't get access straight away, because there are slots being released at different times of the day. So what you'll find is that some slots for the afternoon are released early in the morning, and then slots for the morning period are released the previous evening. So keep trying, and I know it's not good, and people are really struggling with this, and it is unacceptable. We're trying locally to address this and doing all we can to try and increase capacity, but it is proving difficult. We will try our best to try and get things improved here in Blackpool and across Lancashire. So all of the efforts are being made to improve that, but it is a national issue with the lab capacity at a national level. What I will say is, please don't request a test if you don't have symptoms, because that obviously puts demand on the system, and there's an inappropriate use of tests in that situation. Please only get a test if you've got symptoms. From the 24th of September, the new NHS COVID-19 app will be launched, which has features to help protect you and your loved ones, including alerts based on your postcode district, QR check-in at venues, a symptom checker bit on it, a test booking mechanism on it as well. We urge all Blackpool businesses to go online and download their own NHS QR code poster to display in their venues, their premises. All businesses have a legal obligation to collect information from visitors for the NHS Test Track and Trace service. The QR code will make it easier for businesses to do this and lets those that are visiting to check in quite easily. So you can get more information for businesses and about the app in the links at the end of this particular video. So please, I urge all businesses to do that, and I am urging the population to start using the app as soon as it's available. So in conclusion, please continue to follow the advice around hands, face and space. So by that we mean washing your hands regularly, wearing a face covering where it's required, and staying a minimum of two meters away from other people. Before I go, I'd just like to say a big thank you to the people of Blackpool and the businesses. We are working with all the businesses to make sure that they are COVID secure and protected. Rest assured that if any member of the public brings to our attention concerns about COVID secure guidelines being followed within businesses and workplaces, we follow those things up and every single lead up. So please be assured that we're doing that, and please continue to report those things to us if you do have concerns. Thank you once again, and it's a difficult time as we go into this next phase. We are We are trying to balance keeping COVID levels down as well as trying to keep the economy open and schools open. It's a tricky time. If we all follow the guidance, then hopefully we'll get through this really difficult few weeks and months ahead of us. But please continue doing what you've been doing, and I'll keep you updated on what's happening locally and keep you informed. Thanks for listening, and I'll see you next week. Thank you.